Okay, so last Monday, it was like 11 p.m. I'm sitting on my couch in Atlanta. I opened Cash App and I saw $340 sitting in my balance. No laptop, no desk setup, just my phone, a free AI tool, and about 45 minutes of actual work spread across the week. I want to show you exactly how that happened. Real quick, if you're new here, my name's Alex. This channel is about using AI tools to actually make money, not theory, not potential, real results, real numbers. 2 years ago, I was working a logistics job, $38,000 a year, warehouse scheduling, nothing glamorous. I started messing with AI tools at night after my shifts. 6 months later, the income from those tools matched my salary and I walked out. That's the only context you need. Now let me show you what I found this week. So here's what got me into this specific experiment. I get comments, a lot of comments, from people saying stuff like, Alex, I don't have a laptop, or bro, I only have my phone. Does any of this work for me? And honestly, I didn't have a great answer. Most of what I cover on this channel, I test on my computer first. That's just how I work. But I started paying attention to something. The biggest AI content videos right now, millions of views, they're coming out of South Asia, Southeast Asia, places where phone first is just life. People aren't waiting to afford a desktop setup. They're building stuff on a $150 Android at 10 p.m. after work. And the tools that are blowing up in those markets, nobody's walking English-speaking audiences through them in a real way. There's a gap there, a real one. So I gave myself a challenge. 1 week, phone only, no laptop allowed. I deleted the shortcuts off my desktop just to make it feel official, which was dramatic, I know, but whatever. The goal was simple. Find a free AI tool I could run fully on my phone, create something with it, and get paid. That's it. No tricks. I'll be straight with you. Day 1 did not go the way I planned. We'll get to that. But by day 7, that $340 hit, and I was sitting there like, wait, this actually works. All right, the tool. It's called CapCut. And before you click off, hear me out, because most people are using CapCut completely wrong. Yes, CapCut is a video editor. But in 2025 and into 2026, they added a full AI suite inside the app that most people scroll right past. We're talking text to video, AI voiceover, auto-caption, background removal, script generation, all inside one free app on your phone. No watermark on most exports if you know which template path to take. And it runs clean on mid-range Android phones. I tested it on my old Samsung A series just to make sure. Here's why this is different from the other free AI video tools you've seen. Most of those have either heavy watermarks, a 30-second export limit, or they require a desktop browser to actually function. CapCut's AI features are genuinely built mobile first. The UI makes sense on a phone screen. The buttons are where your thumbs actually are. That sounds small, but when you're trying to work fast on a phone, it matters a lot. The specific workflow I use, and this is the money part, was AI-generated faceless videos sold as short-form content to small business owners and content creators who need social posts but can't make videos themselves. You become their video person. They pay you. You make the videos in CapCut AI on your phone in under 20 minutes each. Free, mobile, pays real money. Let me walk you through it. Okay, step by step. Follow exactly. Step 1. Download CapCut, free on iOS and Android. Open it, go to the AI Tools section. It's usually labeled AI or templates, depending on your version. You're looking for the AI video generator or the script to video feature. Step 2. Find your client. I used Facebook groups on specifically local Atlanta small business groups, restaurants, boutiques, nail salons, anybody posting, I need help with my Instagram content. Send them a simple message. Hey, I make short AI videos for businesses, $40 to $80 per video, turnaround same day. That's it. No portfolio needed to start. Your first one is your portfolio. Step 3, get their info. You need their business name, what they're promoting, their brand colors if they have them, and 1 or 2 product photos. They text it to you. Takes 5 minutes for them. Step 4, go into CapCut, hit script to video. Paste in a short description of their product or service. The AI writes the script, generates visuals, adds music. It takes maybe 3 minutes to get a first draft. Step 5, customize it. Swap in their product photos, adjust the text overlays, change the color scheme to match their brand. This part takes maybe 10 to 15 minutes once you've done it twice. Step 6, export, send to client, collect payment. I had clients pay me on Venmo and PayPal. Set up a business PayPal if you don't have one. It's free and it looks more professional than asking for Cash App when you're charging $60 for something. That's the whole process. 6 steps, phone only. Okay, real numbers. Here's exactly what happened across the 7 days. Day one, I'm going to be honest, was a waste. I spent 3 hours trying to use a different tool called Runway. I thought it would be better quality, and on desktop maybe. But on mobile, the interface was fighting me the whole time. Buttons cutting off, exports failing, the whole thing. I finally gave up at like 1 a.m. and just went to bed frustrated. That's the failure. That's the real story. I wasted day one on the wrong tool because I was stubborn about it. Day two, I switched to CapCut and sent out 11 DMs in the Atlanta small business Facebook groups. Got 3 responses by end of day. Day three, closed my first client. A hair salon in Buckhead. They wanted 3 Instagram reels for a spring promotion. We agreed on $120 total. $40 each. I made all 3 videos in about an hour and a half. She paid me via PayPal within 2 hours of me sending the files. $120, phone only. Day 4, second client, a food truck. 2 videos, $80. Paid me on Venmo same day. Day 5, nothing. No new client, sent more DMs, got no responses. This stuff isn't a magic machine. Some days are slow. Day 6, third client, a small online clothing boutique. 4 videos, $140. This one took a little longer because she wanted more custom edits, but still under 2 hours of actual work. Day 7, I had $340 total in my PayPal and Venmo combined. Across 3 clients, 4 working days, using only my phone and a free app. I'm not saying $340 a week is retirement money. It's not. But that's also not a bad week for someone who started with 0 clients, 0 portfolio, and nothing but a phone. All right, the mistake, and I already told you mine. I wasted day one on the wrong tool. But the bigger mistake I see people make, and I almost made it too, is going after big clients too early. My first instinct was to pitch a restaurant chain, like a real brand with multiple locations. And here's the thing, that they want a portfolio. They want a contract. They want to know your LLC name. You're not ready for that on day one, you're not, and that's fine. The move that actually worked was going small, local, sole proprietors, one-person businesses, the nail tech who posts blurry iPhone videos and knows it, the food truck guy who has 0 time to learn video editing. These are your first clients. They don't need a pitch deck. They need someone to say, I'll make you 3 videos this week, and just do it. The other thing, and this is quick but important, don't overpromise on quality. CapCut AI videos look clean, but they look like CapCut AI videos. Be upfront about that. Say, these are professional short-form social clips. Don't say cinematic brand content. Manage expectations early, and your clients will be happy. Set expectations too high, and you'll get a revision request you can't fulfill on your phone. Okay, realistic numbers, because I'm not here to sell you a dream. If you do this part-time, like I was, evenings and weekends only, realistically, you're looking at 3 to 6 clients a month when you're starting out. At $40 to $80 per video, 2 to 4 videos per client. That's somewhere between $240 and $1,900 a month, depending on how consistent you are with outreach. Once you have a few happy clients, they refer people. That's when it starts to compound. My logistics job paid me $38,000 a year. That's about $3,100 a month. I'm not saying you replace that in month 1 with this method, but I am saying the path is real. I've walked it. The phone-only version of it is slower, but it works. The ceiling goes up when you start packaging. Monthly retainers instead of one-off videos. I'll do 8 videos a month for your Instagram for $300. That's recurring. That's where it gets interesting. Look, if this video helped you even a little bit, hit subscribe. I drop this type of content every week. Real tests, real results, no hype. Next video, I'm doing something I've been getting asked about for months. I'm going to show you how to build a simple AI agent, like an actual automated system, and sell it to a local business for a flat fee. No coding, no technical background. Growing up, my mom always said, find the need before you sell the solution. That's the whole video. So stay close, subscribe, turn on notifications, and I'll see you in that one.